Creating a YouTube channel in the technology and gadgets niche is a fantastic idea, especially with your passion and expertise. Here's a detailed guide to help you get started and succeed. Channel name and branding. 1. Channel name. Choose a catchy, memorable name that reflects your niche. Consider names like Tech Explored, Gadget Guru, or Innovate Tech. 2. Branding. Develop a consistent brand with a logo, color scheme, and intro/outro templates. Use tools like Canva for design. Content ideas. 1. Product reviews. Review the latest gadgets and tech products. Provide honest opinions, pros and cons, and usability insights. Examples: smartphones, laptops, smart home devices, wearable tech. 2. Unboxing videos. Create engaging unboxing experiences for new gadgets. Share initial impressions and excitement. Examples: new smartphone releases, limited edition tech products, innovative gadgets. 3. How-to guides. Offer tutorials and step-by-step guides. Help viewers with setup, troubleshooting, and usage tips. Examples: setting up smart home devices, optimizing PC performance, using new software features. 4. Tech news and updates. Share the latest news in the tech world. Discuss upcoming product releases, industry trends, and major announcements. Examples: coverage of tech events, new product launches, industry innovations. 5. Comparisons. Compare similar products to help viewers make informed decisions. Highlight differences in features, performance, and value for money. Examples: iPhone versus Android comparisons, laptop model comparisons, smartwatch showdowns. Content creation tips. 1. Quality production. Invest in good video and audio equipment. Ensure clear, high-resolution visuals and crisp sound. 2. Engaging thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles. Use keywords and phrases that attract viewers and improve SEO. 3. Script and structure. Plan your videos with a clear structure: introduction, main content, and conclusion. Write scripts to stay organized and focused. 4. Consistency. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Consider a schedule, like weekly or bi-weekly uploads. 5. Viewer interaction. Engage with your audience through comments, polls, and social media. Ask for feedback and video suggestions to build a community. Marketing and growth strategies. 1. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Write detailed video descriptions and use closed captions. 2. Social media promotion. Share your videos on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Use relevant hashtags and interact with tech communities. 3. Collaborations. Collaborate with other tech YouTubers to reach new audiences. Participate in tech challenges or joint reviews. 4. Engage with trends. Stay updated with the latest tech trends and viral topics. Create timely content to capitalize on trending subjects. 5. Analytics and feedback. Monitor YouTube analytics to understand viewer behavior. Adapt your content strategy based on performance metrics and audience feedback. Monetization strategies. 1. Ad revenue. Enable monetization through YouTube Partner Program. Ensure your content adheres to YouTube's ad-friendly guidelines. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote tech products and include affiliate links in descriptions. Earn commissions on sales generated through your links. 3. Sponsorships. Partner with tech brands for sponsored content. Ensure sponsorships align with your channel's values and audience interests. 4. Merchandise. Sell branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and tech accessories. Use platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop. 5. Crowdfunding. Use platforms like Patreon for fan support. Offer exclusive content or perks to subscribers. Final thoughts. Starting a Tech and Gadgets YouTube channel requires dedication and a passion for technology. Focus on providing valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Stay updated with the latest tech trends and continuously improve your production quality and viewer engagement. With consistency and creativity, your channel can grow into a successful and influential platform in the tech community.